Hello everyone, let's dive into the OREI 4K KVM HDMI extender, model UHD EXM 500 KVM. This device aims to solve the problem of extending HDMI and USB signals over long distances, and it does so using standard Cat6 cabling. The key selling point here is its ability to transmit a 4K signal at 60 Hz with 4:4:4 chroma, subsampling up to 330 feet, or 120 meters. The OREI extender offers flexibility in its setup. It can be used in a point-to-point configuration, directly connecting a source to a display, or in a one-to-many setup, where a single source can be distributed to multiple displays using a gigabit network switch. Keep in mind that the network switch is sold separately. One of the main features is KVM functionality. It has two USB 1.1 ports, designed for keyboard and mouse use. This allows you to control the source device from the remote display location, which is very useful in many situations. It's important to note that the quality of your Cat6 cable matters. OREI specifically recommends using a high-quality shielded Cat6 cable to achieve the extender's full potential. Flat cables are not recommended. This is crucial for maintaining signal integrity and achieving the advertised transmission distance and resolution. The extender also supports one-way IR transmission from the receiver to the transmitter. This allows you to control the source device from the receiver end, adding another layer of convenience. In summary, the OREI 4K KVM HDMI extender offers a comprehensive solution for extending HDMI and USB signals over long distances. Its support for 4K at 60 Hz, KVM functionality, and one-to-many capabilities make it a versatile tool for various applications. However, be sure to invest in high-quality Cat6 cables and a gigabit network switch if you plan to use the one-to-many configuration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.